Hi, I'm James Vann. Welcome to this session of Vann Sheridan's Video Legal Pad. Today we're going to be talking about annual meetings of officers, directors, the shareholders, and members, depending upon what type of business entity that you have, whether it is an LLC or a limited liability partnership or corporation, even sub-S corporations. As you often know, in the corporate setting, you need to keep good corporate minutes, good corporate records. And so often we get calls about, well, what do we do? How often should we do it? And quite frankly, it's one of those things at the end of the year or the first of the year is a great time to sort of think, okay, do we need to do any of these record-keeping measures? So often what we tell our clients is, obviously, you need to have record-keeping of any shareholders meetings or member meetings. If you have officers and directors for your corporation, certainly to have those meetings and keep good records and minutes of those meetings as well. And depending upon how many shareholders or members you may have in your business entity, also you may need to give notice to some of those. And doing the record keeping is quite easy if once you get into the routine and the habit of doing that. Obviously, getting into the routine sometimes can be a challenge. One other thing we want to make sure that you note that you need to make sure that happens in North Carolina, and that is doing the annual report for the North Carolina Secretary of State's office. You should get mailings, or your registered agent should be getting mailings for these annual reports, and they are important to update and make sure you notify the Secretary of State, and just to make sure you have great housekeeping with your corporate minutes and your corporate records. We hope this session of Vann and Sheridan's Video Legal Pad is helpful to you. Thank you.